Hello guys, today is 27th May 2021. I show you the new Nike shoes, new model. The unboxing, I buy these shoes at Top Sports. This is a third-party dealer because at this time, this new model only sells at this store. You can't find it in Nike self-operated store or Nike app or Nike website. Buy another Apple Watch Solo Loop. Hey. This is what's the model name? Nike Free Run 5.0 Next Nature. This is the most light shoes of Nike. Very light. The size is US size is 7. Pride. This month is Pride month. I will shoot another video to show you how after I wear these shoes up, if it's other Nike shoes.